Right, while our yams and potatoes are parboiling, we're going to go ahead and prepare our other vegetables. So we're going to take our zucchini. We're going to cut these in a little bit thicker pieces than we would normally because we want them to take as long to cook as the potatoes will. And then the same thing with our squash. We're going to discard our ends. We're just going to cut the bottom part of our Brussels sprouts out. Now, as this Brussels sprouts cook, you can see just cutting them, the leaves are going to fall off. The leaves will also peel off while we're baking them. All right, our seasoning is going to be rosemary, so we're going to grab it 3/4 of the way up and just pull it back, and the leaves will come off. And then we'll pick the ones at the top off because the stem is not quite as strong. Okay, we're going to dice our vegetables, our rosemary. Our potatoes are beginning to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and drain them. We're going to put them straight into our baking dish, making sure everything's nice and separated. We're going to add our vegetables on top of that. Put about a tablespoon of oil on here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then top that with our rosemary. Now we're going to go ahead and mix these all up together, making sure everything's all separated. I'm going to go and put it in the oven for about a half an hour. That's the first time that we're going to go ahead and check on those.